So let's demo my one and only Hoover Junior. Hello my YouTubers and welcome again to Silly Sid 123. Has it been a while? Yes it has. Busy, life, you know how it goes. So we are here today to do the first demo of my latest acquirement. It is a 1975 Hoover Junior 1346A. Now I've never owned one. I played with one when my mate brought his over for a short demo. That's on my channel, but I've never actually owned one. I've owned a 1346, but never an A. Over a year ago, I had loads of Hoover Juniors. I've had about 30 odd Hoover Juniors throughout my life, and I sold a load, got rid of a load because I thought that's it, I'm done. So this one was available on eBay. Reasons why I bought it. So my granny, bless her, she's dead. She, from the 70s, early 80s, she bought one. And I remember it when I was, and basically I used to go there and I'd see it next to a cooker facing the wall. But I remember it because I had a blue bag, and I remember the red Rolo button on the side, and I could just see the front of the blue. As I always remember it, that was a vacuum cleaner. And well, in 2000 and something it died, something was wrong with it. And I wasn't a collector then, so unfortunately it went for scrap. Whereas I wish I was a collector then, because I would have said, I'll have it granny, took it, repaired it, and I would have had it, and I would have still had it, because it was my granny's. So that was the reason why I bought it really. It resembles exactly the same model as my grandma's. So it's in a memory sort of thing. So yes, so where am I? So when I got this, there were a few issues. It was sold as mint and nothing wrong with it and everything's fine with it, blah blah blah. What I did find is I had to replace the plug because it was smashed and quite dangerous. It had not been wired properly, so it's got a new plug. Got this from B&Q, but it will be replaced shortly with a genuine Hoover Junior plug by Volex or Volex, appropriate for this machine. So it's got that. It's had a clean and spruce up. It is really clean, to be fair. It's got a new belt on it, because I've got a load of new ones, so it's got a new belt on it. And the handle bale was knackered. It was absolutely knackered. You pressed the pedal and it wouldn't engage, and the whole machine would lift up. It wouldn't depress. You had to jiggle it about and it would eventually depress, but it was just, it needed a new handle bale. So we obtained another Hoover Junior similar to this, but beaten up and in worse condition that I've ever seen, and its handle bale was in beautiful working condition. So I picked it up a couple of days ago, removed the handle bale and put that handle bale into this one, and now this one works a treat. Apart from that, it's got its original bag, it's got its Hoover logo, it's got a new brush roll in it as well, and it runs sweet as a nut. I really can't complain. I just wish that the seller was a little bit more honest what was wrong with it, but of course they pushed to sell, they don't want it anymore, so of course they're going to lie. It works perfectly, there's nothing wrong with it, just to get rid of it. But anyway, we're going to demo this for you guys so you can hear the beautiful sound of a Hoover Junior growling the carpet and sounding fantastic. Here we go. YouTubers, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. I must admit, I absolutely enjoyed pushing this Junior. What a growl, what a Junior should sound like. Works absolutely faultlessly. Beautiful sound, nice smooth motor. Yes, it runs and purrs like a kitten, and that handle bail works a treat. So pleased I replaced it for that one. Yes, so really pleased I've got a Hoover Junior back in my collection, my 1975 Hoover Junior 1346A. This will be kept in my collection, it will stay in my collection, and anything wrong with it I will try and get parts to mend it. What a beautiful thing. So there we go, my YouTubers. We shall release a full flat demo very soon. Like, subscribe and enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.